Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, in the last class we have finished the democratic governments and we need to revise the FA1 syllabus, children. So as I told you, the FA1 syllabus includes the first three units, that is reading and making of maps, globe model of the earth, and the third one is landforms and the Penamakuru. So out of this, the first unit called as reading of the maps, let us revise them. So I have given some multiple choice questions, children, under this. So I may ask you the questions like this. So please be prepared for such kind of questions, and you should also know how the questions will be confusing to understand. So in order to make you more clear with the things, I'll discuss with you some of the important points of that unit from the first unit. So you know it very well, children. First of all, we shall learn about the directions. So see, how many directions are there, children? Basically 4 directions are there. 4 are there. What are they? Always in a map, north will be on the top. This is called as north. Okay, do not forget it, it is north. And this is south. This is east. This is west. These are the directions. So even we can further divide them. Okay, this one and this one. Another 4 also we can add. This becomes a northeast, and this becomes a northwest. This becomes a southwest, and this becomes a southeast. But major are only 4. So remember that directions are how many? 4. So after understanding about the directions, children, let us move on to the next topic. Like always the map has a north side on its top, and how many oceans are there in the world? How many oceans are there? See, most of you don't know how many oceans are there. Okay, please write down. There are 5 oceans are there. First one is Pacific Ocean. Second one is Indian Ocean. Third one is Atlantic Ocean. Fourth one is Arctic Ocean. And fifth one is Antarctic Ocean. These are the 5 oceans which are present. Then how many continents are there? Continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents are there. The biggest one is Asia, the largest one is Asia. Second one is Europe. Third one is Africa. And fourth one is Australia. Fifth one is North America. Sixth one is South America. And seventh one is Antarctica. So you must remember one thing, children, that Antarctica is a ocean as well as a continent. There are 5 oceans are there, 7 continents are there. Do not forget about this one. And the different kinds of symbols we use also you should remember in a map. Okay. So coming to the, in which direction of India Himalayas are present, in which direction of India the seas, that is Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, are present. You must have this knowledge also in the first unit. So let us imagine that this is a map of India, children. So this side is Bay of Bengal. That is nothing but, if you draw the directions, north, south, east and west. To the eastern side you have Bay of Bengal. You find Arabian Sea on the western side. And Himalayas are present on the northern side, children. You can find Himalayas on the northern side of India. On the western side of India, you find Thar desert. This region is a Thar desert. On the western side of India, you also find a Thar desert. So this is how you can understand about the places. This is all revision for the formative 1 children. So please remember to answer the questions which are present under it. And also we learn what is a sign used to show the river may be asked. So this is a sign generally which we use it for showing the river. This is a sign for river. And what is a symbol used to show the church? If there is a plus symbol above, then we call it as we show it like this. Okay, plus symbol, this is called as church. Okay, and if you find then it is called as a mask. So different symbols are used in order to show different kinds of places in the map. And apart from that, we can also show different things on maps with the help of symbols, and we can also show different directions. In which direction the sun rises, children? In which direction the sun rises? The sun always rises in the east. Remember, the sun rises in the east. And maps are prepared in such a way that the northern direction is always on the top of the map. And how do we know the actual distance from a certain place? Through the scale mentioned on the map, we can understand there are 3 things which are required to prepare a map. One is the directions, second one is the scale, and third one is the symbols. These are the 3 things which are required in order to draw a map. The scale generally uses the ratio of 2 points on the map or from the actual distance and on the ground. And in order to show the distances, generally this scale will be reduced scale and will be shown. And the conventional symbols which are used are the common symbols which we can easily understand. And we can know about the landforms by the kind of a map also. The map which shows about the mountains, plateaus, plains are called as physical maps. What does the physical map show? The physical map will show the mountains, plateaus, and plains. Then there are other kinds of map like political map. These map will show you the districts, countries, states, the boundaries of these all things will be shown in these map. Those are called as a political map. So this is about the reading and making of maps, children. So tomorrow we shall see about the second unit revision. But these are the most important things to remember. The physical maps tell about the mountains, plains as well as plateaus, whereas the political maps tell you about the boundaries of the states, districts and the countries. So these are the different kinds of maps. Thank you, children.